Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Once again today I am making another simple recipe called the Neer Dosa. Neer means water in Kannada, Konkani, in any language. This is pan pole. It is done with only 3 ingredients, 3 to 4. Now I am going to use only 3. Come, let's see how I do it. You take rice, any kind of rice. You can take basmati, small grain rice, anything, but preferably you take the rice which you use for cooking, not the rice for dosa. Okay, I have washed it in several waters. Now I will remove it from the water to cook, to grind. Remember, when you are grinding this, you don't have to use much water, because if you use much water, this rice grains will not get fine. It has to become a very smooth paste. I will show you now. Very little water you have to put, if at all you require. I have washed it, soaked it overnight, and now is it ready to make the dosa after grinding it. I think I have to put little, yes, I have to put little water, okay? Do not put much, because there is no urid dal in this. So you have to take trouble to put water little by little. Little more water only, because it has to come to a fine paste. Some of them put fresh scraped coconut. Today I am not using. You saw how it sits on the spoon. This is the way, this consistency. Now I will remove, because I have got a other set to grind. This is the right consistency, because I will show you how. It should be watery. See, it should be this consistency. You saw? See there on the spoon. It should be like that. Let me pour in the vessel. Now I have to grind the second set. I have to put salt. Okay, only 3 ingredients: water, salt and rice. Now this is not the consistency, I am just stirring it. It should be watery, still watery. So I will put water. That's why it is called Neer Dosa. See, a little more, because it has to trickle like the, and keep on stirring it. It should trickle like water. Okay, and every time you use this to make a Neer Dosa, you have to keep stirring, because the rice settles down. Come, we'll go to the kitchen. Keep it on medium flame. You know, I am using cast iron because I don't like to use non-stick. These dosas come very well on non-stick. Now I have tempered this. I just take a risk whether it comes well or not. Okay, anyway, hope so. Onion to spread, because too much oil also you must not use. Okay, put oil, let it get hot. Because why onion? Because it is soft, and my pan is tempered, hopefully tempered. Okay, let it become hot. I am just checking if it is hot. Okay, it is hot. Okay, stir this nicely. Fill in the gaps. Keep it for 2 minutes. It is coming out from the sides. Just for few dosas in the beginning, I'll put oil, okay? Let it come out from the side. Move, I'll put it on that. See, you have to keep on stirring it, okay? Chal, sort. To keep it for 3 minutes, slow flame. Three minutes, let it go. Little more it has to get crispy. I kept the flame on slow. It should become lacy, you saw? Every time I have to stir, you know, because it sticks to the bottom. My dear viewers, this is my final product. It is the Neer Dosa. See how lacy it is. It's lacy. Okay. I put little oil because my pan has to still get tempered. I make dosas on that, but Neer Dosa is little difficult. But it's okay. It came out good. My dear viewers, it's a very simple recipe. It is a Neer Dosa. It is made of watery consistency, Neeru. Thank you and welcome to my channel. Cook like me, enjoy the meals. Have a nice day. I'll keep it down.